As an initial certification applicant, you will spend much of your time utilizing the certification checklist while you are logged into the portal. Starting at the top, you will see an expiration date underneath your name. This indicates the date that your certification application expires and the number of days you have remaining to complete your application. Moving below, on your checklist, you will see a number of required documents. You will be required to submit your entry-level course certificate that you received from your course provider, as well as your passing exam score report, which you would have received immediately after passing the exam. To upload these documents, you will need to click on the red circle, which will bring up a box where you can browse for your document on your computer. If you hold a state radon license in a state in which we accept the license in lieu of the course and exam, then you can click Yes here, and you will be able to upload a copy of your license instead of the course certificate and exam report. Click Choose File to find the document on your computer. And here you will need to choose the course ID for the course that you took, and this can be found on the course certificate itself. Enter the date that you completed the course, and then upload your measurement course certificate. Once you click Upload and OK, the red circle will turn yellow with a blue check mark. This is indicating that your document has been received and is pending approval. Once we approve your documents, the yellow will disappear and you will have a solid blue check mark. Please note that if you are applying for mitigation certification or measurement and mitigation, you will be required to upload both your measurement and mitigation certificates and exam score reports. Moving on to the next required document, the NRPP Code of Ethics form. By clicking on the red circle, you will see a box that will allow you to download the form with Adobe Acrobat. You can print the form, sign and date it, and scan it back in to upload it. Or if you have the digital signature capability on Adobe Acrobat, you may sign it this way. You will then need to upload the document by clicking on the red circle again and navigating here to step 2. This is where you will find the signed document on your computer. The next form, the NRPP Quality Assurance Quality Control Form, will need to be downloaded, printed, signed and dated, and uploaded the same way as the Code of Ethics form. Moving on to the radon measurement device registrations and documentation. If you are applying for residential measurement certification, then you will be required to register a radon testing device. By clicking on the red circle here, you will notice that it will automatically redirect you to the Measurement Devices tab. This is where you will add your NRPP approved testing device and its corresponding documentation. To learn more about how to register your device and upload the device documents, please click the Measurement Devices tab and navigate to the how-to video at the top. Once you have all yellow circles with blue check marks, that means all of your documents are pending approval. Please allow up to 24 hours for these to be approved. Once you see all solid blue check marks and your photo has been submitted and approved, then you will see a payment button at the bottom of the checklist. By clicking the payment button, you will be able to make your certification payment by credit card. Please note, if you have all blue check marks but do not see the payment button, please try refreshing or reloading the web page and it should appear.